Well, it's pretty easy from the title, so I'm going full time. So I'm gonna go full time with working on the cars here. You see I've got a customer car here. This is the second time that Danny's actually been back now, as FedEx and all them are pulling up. I've got another one, Frank's car's outside here, and I've got one sitting over here also, and I've got two more coming in. I'm also working on some Aristos too, and that's what I want to kind of get at. What are we doing? When I say we're working on cars now, what are we doing? So it's pretty much the gamut. If we need fabrication done, we do it, wiring in-house, tuning, you know, we can get the car set up, and then we rent out a dyno currently until we get the new shop set up, and the goal is to get a dyno there. So we can pretty much do everything here in-house. And what I mean by that too is sometimes we do have to go outside to get, you know, some welding done or get some wiring done, but it's all physically done here. I take care of it. There's no need for you to handle anything. I'm taking care of it all, or one of my employees. So I've got two guys helping me out now, Blake Sutters and Rob Walker. Blake's here during the day, and then Rob comes at night to work. So this is, it's a big step for me, a little nervous, not gonna lie, but it's been cool, it's been fun. Working on the cars has been great. And yeah, I'm beyond excited. But what I'm pretty much coming down to, guys, is like, I'm open for business. If you want to send me your car, let me know. We've got a couple things. Website is going to go live here in June. Put it up here. You guys can click the link right there, or you can just type it in if you'd like. This is going to be purefunction.net, and it's going to have parts on it. It's going to have our catalog. It's also going to have kind of a rundown. If you want to drop the car off, you can go there, and it'll ask you like your name, address, and then, you know, what's your goal? What do you want to do? Do you want to do an 8HP swap? Do you want an A80? Do you want a T56? Do you want a big single kit? Do we need to do a whole new wiring harness? Tuning, fabrication for a new intercooler piping, you name it. It'll kind of have like a drop down there for you. On top of that, if you can't get a hold of me there, go to sales@purefunction.net. And again, that's down in the description too. Yeah, this kind of opens us up to whatever you need. Right now in the purple car, we're currently doing a UC10 dash, wiring it in for flex fuel, had an entire fuel system installed, doing a couple things, also converting it over to drive-by-wire. So that's where I'm at. I'm excited, and I'm ready to make this leap. And yeah, I keep kind of repeating myself, but I'm excited. I'm excited. I've really been enjoying this. The goal is to keep up with what I've been doing. So YouTube is not going to go away. It has been slow because I'm so hyper-focused on getting this reliable. I'm using a new system called MSA that allows me to keep up with all of our billing. It also will keep everything in there, meaning like you have a login. So if you're customer A and I say, hey, here's your estimate, send it to you, you go, yep, I agree. Or you can actually sign off on it so we know like, hey, appreciate it, but it's a big bill. Can you sign off on this much? And then we can send you like a partial estimate or a partial bill saying like, hey, you don't need to pay for labor yet, but you do need to pay for these parts. Pay for it and it'll keep track of everything. Or if we find something wrong, instead of me trying to text you, which I have been doing currently, that kind of gets cumbersome because I'm trying to find your number, save all these people in my personal cell phone. Now everything is stored in there. Every part we find, every issue we find, we can put it in there, put it under exactly what we're working on. So say we're working on the transmission and we find some lines crushed, or we find something leaking, take a picture of it, then we'll put a note with it saying, hey, lines crushed, do you want replaced? Or, you know, leave as is. I'm just using that as an example. Or we're going ahead to wire up the car, and I say, hey, would you want rolling anti-lag, or would you like me to put traction control in the car while we're doing all this? And you go, yes or no, you know, because it could be a little bit more money and time. And I think it's just really nice to have that. And again, say 4 or 5 years from now, you go, hey, do you remember when you did X, Y, Z? And I go, I don't. Instead of digging through text messages or did I save that Excel sheet, it'll be in there for you to even check, or myself. I can go through and go, yep, we did this, took a picture on that day. So it's try and keep everything in track, along with parts tracking. Everything is in there for you and for me. It's to keep you happy, because the goal is, no one likes their babies going away and they go, man, is my car done yet? What if my bill's gonna be more? I don't want that happening. That is the worst feeling on earth. So it's to keep you guys up to date. If your car is here, if it's being worked on, you're getting that constant, like, here's an update, here's an update, here's an update. So you don't even have to get a hold of me, which I don't mind either. You can email me, do whatever. But this allows you to go, okay, that got done today. We found 2 issues. And it would be, even if we find an issue, it might just be, hey, we found this, we've already fixed, there's no cost in it, but we just wanted to let you know. So it's a really neat program, and I'm really looking forward to using that going forward. So yeah, that kind of sums it up. I wanted to make this quick short video, put it on the YouTube for you guys to see, but whoo, yay. I'm just pumped. I'm like, it's a bunch of emotions going through me right now. So please guys, again, if you need anything done, any questions, concerns, again, even ordering parts, I'm direct with Powerhouse Racing, Turn 14, Granis. You name it, you need it, I can get it. Just shoot me a message and I'll try and take care of you best I can. Again, check out purefunction.net or hit me up at sales@purefunction.net. And have a great day, guys. Peace.